So here, instead of saying what to do, maybe I told more what not to do. Okay, those are the main important areas you could focus. Everyone clear? Yes. And this is very helpful before you go through the live interviews. Just please complete it and then go. Okay, because there are few, maybe at least one sentence will give you a different perspective. At least one sentence will change us. Okay, so please take this one thing. And second thing is upgrade. Okay, upgrade. Okay, is something where is upgrade? There is no upgrade. Updates. This one. Okay, we don't do much in upgrade. Okay, how to say is it's actually wrong statement. We don't do anything. Okay, we do so many things, but we what we do is also something different. Okay, so I will tell you. I will just give some basic information about upgrade. Okay, what is ServiceNow upgrade? It's a platform main upgrade. Okay, when we do generally once in a year, we plan and do. Okay, being a team of ServiceNow 10 people, what exactly we do? Okay, we do. Okay, it's a time. It's a project of 3 4 months, minimum 2 months minimum. If we start upgrade, 2 months we don't do anything else. We do only upgrade activities only. Okay, so first what we do is right. We have three instances, correct? So generally we will be having three instances: dev, test, and prod. Okay, so in dev, and we also will be having some temporary, so temp and maybe one more temp two. So we will be maintaining minimum three plus two or three will be extra because we should have it. We have to. Okay. For POCs, for backing up something. We need them. Okay. Without that, our survival will be difficult in life. Right. Now, what you do exactly here? I will just give some 5 minutes discussion. I don't give 1 hour discussion here. Okay. So let's say Washington is releasing maybe in June or July. It's already released. Okay. Somewhere around June, no? So April, May, June. So somewhere around April only, our project plan will start. Our architect will start our plan. Okay. When the service now says this is the upgrade, okay, this year, initially they will release alpha version. They don't release a full version. Alpha version they will release. Means it's kind of test version. Almost like 100% final, 98% final image only. But it's not official version. Okay, maybe a kind of alpha version they will release, and they will announce to every customer who are attached to the particular service now when we get them, we will upgrade one of our temp instance with that Washington alpha version, right? Okay, before we do, very carefully see. Okay, so April, I'm writing in April, this is in April. Okay, in April they announce like, okay, this is ready, official unofficial version is ready, right? Now immediately our architect will jump into picture, and then he needs to not only architect but the entire team. Okay, we will go through the release notes, Washington release notes. Okay, so in the release notes we will see what it is changing. Okay, even ServiceNow also to their customers they will arrange one separate session for upgrade. They will arrange like, okay, there will be a meeting where ServiceNow engagement manager, ServiceNow side architects, okay, and some sales people and our team will join, and then they will just go through this is the version, these are the new options, new features. Okay, they will promote in a way that they will get more business. Okay, in this one, this is enabled. With this one, you will get these kind of benefits, and it's a package of what you have already. Good. And the other one is the feature which is very new and but you don't subscribe. If you want, you need to think and then come to us. This is maybe this much. Okay, maybe more promotional but also something technical also. Okay, they will it's not like okay writing code and all they will say this is like high level. This is what this okay service portal. Okay, now next SOW is introduced, service operational workspace in Washington. Okay, this is the one, right? Good, something like that they will tell. Now the architect will go through the release notes and then okay initially he will write upgrade our one of the instance. Before he upgrade, there is some process called clone. Okay, clone. Okay, temp instance with production instance image, right? So what is the meaning of clone is just a copy, carbon copy, CC, right? Whatever the production image, production instance image is there, na, that image we will clone with temp. Okay, then we upgrade to Washington. That means you almost upgraded your production instance, correct? You have the image of production instance which is upgraded to Washington. Am I right, my everyone? Everyone
Yeah.
understanding the statement?
Yes.
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 Okay. So why we need to do? Because the temp instance we will now go through every test case. We will pre-validate. We are getting ready for a big event. Okay. So let's say Modi is coming to my house. Will I just do like okay, just come and sit? Or from last 1 week I will do so many things where he needs to sit, what he needs to eat, okay, how to greet, everything. Almost like I will imagine Modi came, correct, and then do everything, right? So similarly, here also, okay, we prepare one of our instance, one of our temp instance, same like production with the process of cloning, and then we will upgrade that, okay, with the Washington alpha version. Okay, so okay, then here we randomly do many things here. What is the meaning of clone? What is the meaning of upgrade? Who do it? When we do it? Okay, what is our role here? Okay, clone is something we don't do anything as a developer. You don't do anything. Even an architect will not do anything. What we do is okay, we have a portal which we call it as support.servicenow.com. Okay, right? So uh, this one. Okay, so we will be having a portal where our architect will go and then create a ticket. It's a case. We call it as a case where he will go to support.servicenow.com and then he will just create a new ticket and then there is some time okay something like this. Okay, so upgrade it will be like this. Once he create it you see like this, but he will say new request and clone. Okay, when Saturday, Friday. Okay, so which instance, temp instance, time, so everything he will mention. He will just schedule it and then it will be created a ticket up on that ticket. Okay, one change ticket will be created, change ticket for them. They will work on change ticket. Okay, they will just create a change ticket in their system and then they will clone it. Okay, when you do it now you see something like this. Okay, so one ticket is created for this one like this. Okay, see upgrade is scheduled. If it is upgrade now it will be like this, clone is scheduled in your support.servicenow.com page. If you go to the dashboard you will see what are your scheduled or what are your requested and what is the status also. If it is clone, then clone. If it is upgrade, then upgrade. Like this, you will see. That's it. You don't do anything else, and they do it in the time. Okay. If it is Saturday morning, our time, then that 6 hours window they will keep it, and during that 6 hours window they will finish it up. Maybe 2 hours. So see here, April 12th, 2011, 11 o'clock. So the upgrade is planned in this time, and this is production instance to Paris. Okay. Once this is done, they will communicate to us. Okay. Simple. This is how even we do like this. What we our role here is just scheduling it, writing a request only. Even for
So
clone,
we'll provide the schedule date and time for them.
we need to provide it. When
Okay.
when we need to define, okay, and they will do everything. So I let's say next Saturday, okay, we will schedule. Friday evening we will schedule. So they will finish it up. Okay.
Okay.
And
So in that case, production will be available or will be
that we
need
will
downtime.
mention as downtime. No? That's why we will say Friday night.
Okay.
That's what yesterday we discussed a little bit. But
Yes.
ServiceNow downtime is almost zero. Even though during the this one also it will be working. That's how they will manage.
Okay.
Okay, so see here, we don't have live environment, so very limited. So I'm trying to show at least how much I can show. This is how the portal looks like, and here you go and then raise a request, and this is how it shows. Either it is a clone option or either it is a okay upgrade thing. You do here like this. That is your job. Clone you do first, then after one day you do upgrade. You don't do both at the same time. Okay, and once you raise it, they will create a thing change like this and then schedule it and then they will do. Okay, so this is how the things. So this is the page also. Okay, I'm just keep it here. Okay, so now you once you did this production instance done, what happens now? This is where our 10 people job comes into picture. Okay, whatever the implementations that we did, whatever the definitions we have, we will test everything and make sure that first thing is with this upgrade is something broken? No. Is this upgrade is at least running my platform as it is? This is the first thing we see. Everyone notices this statement? Okay, let's say in incident table, I have 5 UA actions. Okay, 5 scheduled jobs, 5 notifications. Okay, something logics. What is my thing is after this temp clone done, okay, and upgraded, our team will connect to this and then create some 10 incident, 20 incidents, and then check every scenario, every UI policy, every UI action, every business rule, everything. That's what we need to do. First thing. Understood?
Yes.
Everyone understood?
Yeah.
Okay. And second thing is, okay, so check every definition. Okay, I'll write something here. Okay,
This, especially this testing is really boring.
it's boring. It's not boring, but it's a
No, every upgrade you want to test all the production image.
very correct. Okay,
Really, yeah.
sir. Now, second thing is there is something called okay skip log process. Okay, this is also one of the very important. I don't give very detail, but very simple way I will just see. Okay, upgrade. Okay, in temp instance. Okay, we are all discussing about temp only. Temp instance, temp instance. Okay, so upgrade history, upgrade logs are there now. Maybe just go. Okay, upgrade history. I don't know where to find exactly right now. Ah, I think this one. Okay, when the system is upgraded now, it will give you in upgrade logs. It will give one entry for that respective version. Okay, so let's say I will open this one. Right. When this is upgraded, where is that? 1 second. Sir. Upgrade history. This one. Sorry. This one. Right. This is the okay here, ma. Upgrade center, upgrade history. Okay. And now I open one of the update. Okay. You see something like this. This is the most important job that we do. Skip logs. When we are committing an update set, we allow few, we skip few. Am I right, everyone?
Yes.
What things we skip? Okay, we skip if I am trying to apply something, but it's already updated, the updated version is already there, so I don't want to touch it. Am I right? Okay, let's say I will put it in a different way. Okay, very carefully understand this statement. Very important. Okay, so I have one business rule. Okay, it's a out of the box business rule. Maybe I will take PA contributor. Now PA utils script include is there. You seen that? We seen where we seen PA utils script include
Dynamic reference qualifier.
dynamic reference qualifier, and then the next topic also. Okay, the script include related topic. Okay, how to call a script include from server side script something, right? So this is having maybe okay 600 lines of code. Very carefully see. What you did is you customized this particular script include. Okay, when I say customized, you did maybe removal of some code or adding some code or whatever it is changed. Okay, this is changed. Okay, So it is changed, customized. Maybe you added or you removed or you did whatever you did. Okay, maybe for some other purpose you did. Very carefully see. Okay. Now user customized this out of the box image. This is what you need to understand here. Everyone understood? Everyone understood? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's say you are okay. Now upgrade is going on. Okay, upgrade to Washington. Okay. In this upgrade, the image of this new version, there are 100 lines are getting added to PA utils. Very carefully understand my line. Okay. PA utils is coming with new version with new definitions. So 600 previous image. Okay. Plus 100 means 700 lines. This is out of the box image. Very carefully. Okay. Now, when it is trying to apply the new image of 700 lines of PA utils script include, okay, very carefully see, will it override the out of the box one 600 to 700 or will it override the image of customized version of, okay, your definition? How it will take?
The first one, 600 lines, it will override.
That means, okay, if that is the case, whatever you did, the customizations, you are gone. It won't work. Am I right? After upgrade.
Correct. Yeah.
That means whatever you customized, they will not work after upgrade. So we should not touch, we should not do any development. Am I right? You are all getting my point, ma? That is correct answer. Okay, whatever he said is correct. Okay, but after that, you are seeing the implications of it. After upgrade, this behavior of what you customized will not work. That is the meaning of that. Am I right?
Yes.
Everyone, first time learners, understand this one. This is very core. You are going to
Yes.
live. Okay. So, first, why we test, sir? So, Subhani garu told, no, it is boring, right? It's not actually something like that. So,
No, I have seen many, for example, in our current
I will take it, sir. We have less time. Okay,
production.
I will take it. Okay, your point is correct only, but we need to check this way. They will only see outer way. Click this one, click this one, click this one. That's why how if we test like that, no, then that is boring. If we need to see this way. Okay, we are developers, right? Okay. Now, what happens this Washington upgrade? What it will do with this particular PA utils? If it is customized, it will not apply this new change. It will skip it. You are understanding my statement? Update set, relate this topic to update set topic. Okay. As this out of the box image of this particular script include is customized. So I don't know how long, how much you customized. So I don't apply the new change. I will skip it. Okay. And it will skip and then proceed with upgrade. You all got this point? Skip.
Oh, we'll skip that. Okay.
Everyone, you got this point? Skip. Yes. Skipping
Yes.
means skipping of updating the script include. Everyone got this point?
So, Sridhar,
I'll
it's
come to
always
that one. Skip. Please give me, sir. Skipping is done. Skipping, everyone understood. It will skip and then proceed with upgradation. Done. Everyone understood this point.
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, that skip entry will be written here. Very carefully see. Skip changes to review. Okay. In this 5, in production image replication means production upgrade, you will see minimum 500 here. Okay. Among 500, one entry you sys underscore script underscore okay include table then sys id. You will get this entry saying this is skipped. Among those 500 skipped entries, you will see one entry where okay this is skipped. Remaining like this is upgraded, this is unchanged, this is applied. Everything these and all done unchanged, applied and unchanged. This is applied changed. Okay, these and all like other things which are done. What are the things are happened? 1,45,412 changes are happened only with one patch. If it is upgrade, then it will be more. But our main concentration is upgrade happened. Many things are skipped. Okay, and one of this is this one. Now, okay, what we do is in our okay this temp right? We will note this one and then we will verify it. We will open that script include. We will see what is coming. Okay, what is the current image? Do we need that or we can ignore it? Everyone understood this point? Okay, so we will be having an option here. Okay, revert to base system. Okay, resolve the conflicts. Okay, or keep both that and this. If that and this is needed, then we need to do some development there. We need to create an update set and capture it. Okay, if you don't want it, you can just skip it. There is something called skip also somewhere here. Okay, where you can proceed. This is already skipped now. If you don't do anything, okay, it will be left it. Okay, but if you want it, then you need to do something here. Resolved and skip. You need to say like this. Understanding it, ma? This is our main job. Little painful job. We need lot of deep knowledge here to take the decision. I need to understand the PA utils. Okay, script include what is changed, what is coming up, and do we need the coming up thing, or do we need the customized thing, or we need both? If we need both, how to take it? Those kind of things we will closely do. Okay, and almost everything. And sir, we need to do. Let's say I got 500 here. Do I need to do on all 500, sir? Answer is yes. But here also we have something called priority. Okay, priority 1 critical, priority 5 light. So we concentrate on high priority things where they have a lot of impact. It will be categorized by itself. We don't do anything. Okay, but once you see 500 out of 550 are priority 1 critical, then you have to concentrate more on them. They will break most of the things. If you don't, if you just leave it as skipped, it's already skipped. If you just ignore them, then it will break you everything, right? So this is the core activity that we do when we upgrade. So as we cloned and upgraded our temp, if we have this kind of analysis, okay, we are getting prepared for main thing. So the same thing will we see the same preview issues, skipped issues, everything in our dev also, in temp also, in production also, correct? Because we just cloned production image and then doing all this. So we are almost doing for production only. Am I right, everyone? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the main job. After that, testing we do plus skip logs, okay, and then reverting or allowing whatever we are doing, we need to do. Okay, so preview logs or skip logs. Skip logs, one is main important activity. So here we will get a basic final image. Okay, this is what we are going to do. Okay, this upgrade is smoother. We have very less, we can able to do. Okay, no, this functionality is breaking. We have to do now. So let's say PA utils broken. Okay, you applied it. So you need to customize it, you need to fix it, and then make sure that this is working as it is working before. That development we need to do. We have to create an update set. Whatever the development we need to do, that we need to do, and then be ready. At least you should have a list here. Okay, when so what next? We are in April. Okay, and then April 15, April 25. Okay, we thought like we will start. So April 25. Anyway, I'm speaking everything about upgrade. Okay, so April 25, we are upgrading our dev. Okay, by this time we have everything ready. You know what you are going to do. First thing. Next thing is, okay, in this version onwards, we are implementing a new thing. So ServiceNow Washington release is introduced something called SOW, Service Operational Workspace. Okay, so it's a new interface. I'm saying like Service Portal Agent Workspace. It is a new interface. Okay, right? So it's a new look. In a simple way, it's a new look for end users. This is how it looks. Where it looks very simple and it looks very lavish and more colorful and it have more features also. This is how it looks. Service Operation Workspace. It's a end user view. Now we are planning to implement this one. Okay, let's say we are planning to add this one in our platform. We need this one. Our manager imposed from this one. We have a lot of advantages. So let's start this one because user interface improvement is one of our strategy. Let's say like this. So we need to give best version of user interface. That's where we will get a lot of impression. Correct? People will see outer appearance. They don't see inner appearance. Correct? Will they see? Ma? If you see a person, will they see outer appearance or inner appearance?
Outer appearance.
Who cares inner appearance? Okay, he is using iPhone. Okay, he's using IPL watch. Okay, how costume he is, how cap he is. Okay, that and all nonsense he is, right? That's where the world is falling, right? And even people are also crazy. Okay, he have iPhone, I need iPhone. He have that, I need this. Okay, he have that car, I have this car. I don't have a house, but I need a car of 25 lakhs because he bought it. I need to buy. And where you are staying? In a rented house. How much you are paying? 25,000 per month. Will you buy a new house? Not sure. But you need a car. And to park the car, there is a parking issue in your rented apartment. Y- Right? Am I right? No, I'm not.
That is correct.
So I'm not. Anyway, I have two houses. I don't have a car. Okay, I'm not that category. But I'm just out.
Even I don't have iPhone also, Sridhar.
I have two iPhones, but I never touched them. I don't use them. Okay. Okay. So see here. Now, when we sorry, I will go beyond. Okay, my weakness. So if we feel like okay, we need to implement something. That implementation also we need to take care now. So S4W we need, let's say one example. Okay, so we need to impose S4W. Okay, implement S4W from here. So we need to enable it. Okay, and okay, S4W is interface. So it will like in S4W you will open incident management. You will open incidents. You will open changes. Okay, if you open an incident and you created some 10 UI actions on the incident table. Okay, all the 10 UI actions are working here. Is there anything breaking? That also you need to take care. Understanding it now? So far we are using service portal. There if you open an okay incident, you have okay assign to me, okay create assign to my group. Those small UI actions are there. Now you are changing the interface. So here you need to make sure all these definitions are working. This is your development again. Not directly it will work. You need to enable something, you need to add something, you need to remove something. Okay. So keeping all these three things in mind, okay, these are the main essential things. Okay, new features enable and make them work. Plus many other things. It will come. Okay. But mainly these three things we need to do as from our team. Okay. Now it's okay. Sorry. Huh. Now what we do? Okay. We need to participate in few things. If you are a strong developer, you need to do skip logs or those kind of developments or the testing, complete platform testing on this particular release or anything. It's a collective efforts. If 10 people are there, 10 people will do something and you will be one of them. Okay. Now we are learning, we don't have that option, but at least you should have an idea what it is going on. Nowadays in interviews also, they will ask, there is a question. Okay. What is your current version? What is your first version? How many upgrades you seen? What you did in your upgrading projects? Okay. Instead of saying I never did it, at least you can speak something. That's why I'm speaking this much. Okay. Even this video also gives same kind of thing, but little deeper more. Okay. Maybe pretty much. Okay. I think pretty much same or more or less. Okay. I request to go through it. So April now here we upgraded our dev. So even here also first clone and then upgrade. Everywhere clone will come. Clone, production image, then upgrade. Okay. So here, once it is upgraded now, we will say dev freeze. From here till production live, okay, we don't do any further developments. Means further developments means normal catalog creations, we don't accept any new work. We are on dev freeze.
But by the time we have some work in dev, right?
That and all will be captured and moved to, we will take backups and all. I'm coming to that.
Backup. Yeah, backup.
So right? And before dev clone, na, we will take all the work, current ongoing work, okay, to download as an XML. So backup. So before clone and upgrade of dev, na, if we are in between something where you are working on, na, what you do is better complete the update set and download it. Or best way is complete and move to test, because if you have it in test now, that's almost like you have a backup. But still, how long till test clone happens? So better you download and then keep a XML file with you. That's the main important thing. Okay, and we download all the ongoing XML files and then keep it in our network share, common share, in upgrade project folder. Okay. So here dev cloned upgraded. Now here whatever we observed here, whatever we skipped here, whatever functionality issues came up where you fixed, everything will be covered and then create an update set and then capture in update set, and everything will be done in an update set. Multiple update sets or single update set, but whatever the things, okay, are needed for this upgrade, that you develop and then you keep it in an update set. Okay, now that's it. We did just keep it. Okay, so after 3 weeks, okay, maybe May 1st, May 2nd, May 15th, or May 10th. Okay, or 15th. Let's say May 15th. Okay, forget about the dates now. Okay, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something. Okay, test upgrade. So test again. Okay, clone. No backups here because it's not a dev instance. No? Clone plus upgrade. Okay, after upgrade, first thing what you do is, okay, move update sets. Whatever the fixes, whatever you did, everything here, move these everything. So this Washington release that ServiceNow given plus your image that you modified, that image you made it and then give for testing and UAT. Okay, it's business testing and our internal testing. Even here also we test it, unit testing. Okay, if any business person or anyone from our customers and all they find any issues, we will again fix it here and then move it here and then ask them to retest. And one day, maybe just 3 4 days before, okay, let's say June or July 8th. Okay, July 8th is our production release. Okay, maybe July 5th we will say one meeting. Okay, go no go. Okay, and every of the organization head, all the process owners, our team, every team, my manager, everyone will log into the system and then say, okay, are we going? We are going to have a production release upgrade. You are fine, go. You are fine, go. You are fine, go. I am not fine, no go. Why? We seen some issues with Jira. Is that related to upgrade? Yes. After upgrade of test only, we are seeing these issues. Okay. So there is a thing like when you upgrade it, you also send a communication to everyone, process owners, and then you will keep 1 2 weeks window. Okay, and request them to test and submit their okay things before that window. Let's say July 8th is our production upgrade. By June 25th, we will end this window. Okay, saying you please finish it and then give the results because we need to prepare so many things. No? We can't say there, we can't allow them to test till 7 and then we upgrade to 8. No, we will keep only, okay, we will keep only 2 weeks window of testing and then we collect and then we need to rework on it if more issues found. That is hell, that is again a hell. Okay, so if they come up last minute and then say no, it is very tough and we that's why we expect here to give. But anyway, we need to do. So we take no go call or go call, okay, on prior time, and then if everyone are says fine, then we will again, okay, raise a request for production upgrade, okay, and we will just to do. After production upgrade on 8th, we also keep some kind of hypercare, means 1 week or 2 weeks, okay. In during this time, now this is in production, people will start using it, okay. So our from our team, we will nominate nice 2 people or 1 people where if anyone have any issues, they can immediately raise us. Normally here ticket will not work. Raise a ticket. We will work on 3 days. No, it won't work. Okay, because it's a hypercare kind of right. So we will be available. If anyone raises any ticket, we need to immediately respond because it's in a production. Okay, maximum we don't get any functionality issues because we tested in dev, we tested in temp, we tested in test, and then we moved to production. And even we got the communication and confirmation from all the owners of platform. We are safe. What kind of issues we will see is okay. Till yesterday, I was using this view. Today it changed. I don't know what to do in this SOW view. How to? assign this incident to me in SOW. They don't find those options. If they spend some 10 minutes, they will find it, but they don't have that much time. Ambani is waiting for them. Okay, they will raise. Okay, ServiceNow is not. Okay, they will immediately. They have time to raise an incident, but they don't have time to at least elaborate it. Okay, at, before that, if any new change is happening, we also publish a KB here before 8th. Okay, we will also create a KB SOW navigations. We will create and then send to all the owners again. They need to communicate and then they need to give a KT also. That's why the 2 weeks is needed. Okay, KB, knowledge sharing, training, everything. But still, people will be there. They will raise incident. Okay, this incident look is different where I am not finding one option. That is an incident. Now we need to educate them, or we need to route to the respective team where they will educate. These kind of things will be involved. It's more like this kind of job. This is upgrade thing. Understood, my everyone? Okay. So instead of going as a blank minded, at least keep something in your mind. Says I did some upgrade and these are the activities I did. And there for testing now here, okay, we also have something called ATF. Okay. Instead of manually testing, we can create ATF test cases. ATF test in general, no? Testing people know. Testing, test case, test suite. A test suite is nothing but collection of multiple test cases. Okay, go there, check A, check B, check 3, check C, check D, check E. Okay, instead of doing 5 times, create a test suite, define all these 5, and then run the test suite. The result is running all the 5 test cases. Okay, that will be available in the ATF, but ATF also defining these test cases again is a painful and it's not straightforward. So maximum 90% of the live live platforms will not use ATF aggressively because ATF is not that much easy to configure and it's more time waste. Then instead of that now we can just creating a test case in ATF and executing and waiting till the time you just manually test it. That is easy. Okay. So this is all about upgrade. Okay, simple way, right? Live practical way is maybe different. Okay, but outer structure is exactly same. This is what every project people will do when it is upgrade. Most of them is breaking the things. Okay, if you stick to with out of the simplest way, if you are a platform owner and architect, okay, the rule is if you are managing your platform, okay, more into out of the box, okay, you see very minimal errors after upgrade. Okay, okay, very important thing. If you do overaction and do lot of customizations, break the out of the box rules, then after upgrade you see huge issues. Understood, ma? Understood the statement? Okay, so that's why the architect will always, okay, design everything towards out of the box so that it will minimize the issues. Understood, my everyone? Got this statement, everyone? Yes, everyone, you are there. Am I there?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. Okay. And initially, when ServiceNow introduced service portal, you know everyone service portal, right? Service portal generally instead of we give a interface something like this. Now end users will give when end users will see service portal like this. I will just give one sample. Okay, you need to understand this also. So end users will see ServiceNow directly like this. They don't see this interface, UI16 interface. They will see this interface. Okay, so it is good, no? It is more good than this view. Correct? Do you agree? This is more like a fancy, okay, shopping complex. We are very okay fond about okay shopping center. This is like that, and this can be customized. So initially when service portal launched, no, ServiceNow also promoted in a way like you can design your platform like how you want it. This is how they promoted. Very carefully understand. It's not the ServiceNow team's issue. The promotion came like this. Okay, we are introducing something called service portal, and you can design your own portal. That's what they told. When you say that, automatically I will get my own picture in my mind. Correct? So let's say I'm using ServiceNow for SKfacts. So then they said, okay, you can design your portal. Functionalities will be same, but you can design your portal like how you want. Then immediately I will say, okay, I will keep my photo here, my wife photo, big photo here, somewhere small photo, my lover photo here, and then when I click this one, tick, 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 happen. So everything I will design it automatically. Correct? Will I design? Yes. Okay. And then I will implement it also. Okay, like that, many many vendors, almost like 80% of the vendors, they did too much of overaction. Means they customized their portals like anything, too lavish, too costly. They put lot of graphics. Okay, that is not their issue. That's not actually their problem. Actually, it's not their overaction. But that's how ServiceNow promoted this product. When they promote this lavish, they will say always zero touch, very lavish. They will say after you see na, they will anytime if you attend ServiceNow meetings, no, they will say any new tool, they will say zero touch. Okay, and no coding. They will say no coding. Seriously, any product they release, they will say zero touch, no coding. But 100% of the topics, okay, without coding, without touching, we can't customize. We can't use it in our as per our requirements. The promotions are different. Okay. Now people are did too much of customizations and they broken the out of the box loose and then they did it. Next release done. When it is platform upgraded, that was the year where every customer almost seen hell. Maybe if you have service now, maybe 5 years experience or 6 years experience, exactly 6, 7 years of experience, where service portal is introduced, na, that time you just check. That was the hell. Only for fixing the issues, few companies took 3 months, 4 months, only to fix the issues. Okay. After that, many people learnt many things. Even ServiceNow also did stop doing overaction. Okay. So strict with out of the box is the first fundamental thing that we need to follow. That is the best design of ServiceNow. Sir, strict with out of the box means we don't at all do any customization, sir. You are getting that kind of sense, correct? Is that giving that kind of sense?
Yeah.
Okay. No. Strict with out of the box means if it is out of the box custom script include, don't touch it. And if you need some work, you just create a new script include. Now you understood?
Yes.
Okay. ServiceNow recommend don't use this particular get reference. Instead, create a script include and call from client script using Ajax. So if even if you know that recommendation, if you still create it, tomorrow they will stop. Even now also I think they stopped it. Reference, get reference. They said don't use get reference anymore. Okay. That will come like a skip log, one issue, upgrade issue. That may fail. If you have 10 UA client scripts, those 10 client scripts with get reference will fail. So we need to follow their guidelines, out of the box guidelines, and don't touch the most of the out of the box scripts or concepts. If you want, you can create new, but don't touch it. That's what the recommendation. Now you understood? Yes. Okay. So I started with 5 minutes discussion, but it went for almost. But you, everyone, okay, maybe we spoke more, but this is more critical part in this area. Okay, especially in interviews, you get this question 100%, and you need to speak something good. Your participation. Mostly, you can say, I worked on okay testing. We don't have ATF testing because we tried it 2 years back and we felt like it is too much work, and it's not too much work actually to define everything like notification. How you test notification? If incident is assigned to assignment group, okay, system needs to send a notification. That is the test case. It is simple. You just create it and then assign to a group and then check. Then that's it. Manual testing 2 minutes. But in ATF, na, to define this test case, it will take 2 days. And if the script is having some, if the notification is having some script under, it's you are done, you are gone. So defining okay 500, 600 test cases in ATF is like itself is one of the biggest project. That's why we didn't do. No one did. Okay. You can tell that also. We do manual testing and we test everything. Okay, all our definitions, functionalities, UI actions, notifications, everything, and we also work on script logs. Okay, so we this time we had 600 script logs. I worked on maybe 50 script logs. Give some examples if you want, and we implemented S4W. Okay, we tested that. Something blah 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 blah. You speak at least instead of saying no. Understood, my everyone? Yes.
Yeah.